green. Okay, so this is a 10-inch screen. You can do Apple Play and Google Play on here, so attach it to your phone. You've got a USB charger here. Let's check out what else. I just got here, so I'm going to turn on the heat. And here's the fan. Yes, that's power. I'll let you know how long it takes to get warm. It's got our voltage on here, which is super important. We're at 55 volts. Now this will move up and down as you drive, because as you use voltage, it's gonna draw down like an RPM on a car, basically, right? So when you come to a stop, it'll level out. Tells me the temperature outside, 18 degrees, woohoo! Okay, I'm starting to get a little bit of heat. Yes, what was that? 10 seconds, that's awesome. Now I'm gonna turn off the warm and put on the AC. Now the moonroof goes up. I love the mechanism on this too. So when you're driving, you're gonna get the airflow through here. Ow, okay. But who doesn't want extra AC? Because it gets hot, like we get 30, 40 degree weather. This is awesome. Comes here. Now, yes, the vents are just at the front. Woo! Both sides. Handles are where they're supposed to be. Speakers. Oh, okay. First impression video. Oh, we got somebody here. Hello. The steering wheel does not tilt. It just comes up and down. It's standard this way, so that's what it's going to be. Now the seat all the way back. That is more leg room. That is definitely more leg room. This is awesome. I'm going to turn that off. This is awesome.
Okay, pull the seat forward.
Oh,
just to show you.
Oh, yes.
Going to the drive-in.
Well, let's go for a little ride. Let me put it into drive.
You go all the way back.
I can go. Oh.
Not
Oh my
close.
God!
Not even close.
See, look at
Two
those.
seatbelts?
Yeah.
Leg room.
So,
Wow.
yeah. I've got more than enough room.
Bye.
And we got short.
Oh, I should put on my seatbelt.
Fonzie, come here.
Steering is smooth. These come in. Yeah, this is well done. We're very excited about this. If you've been waiting to buy one of these, the time is now. $89.99. Woo! Woo! Put it in. I really like the beat.
Well, it's inside, so you're not waking up the whole neighborhood when you get home.
Yeah, it's not. All right. Put it into neutral. Put on the parking brake here. And this is last year's model, but the new ones that are coming, that's all available. It'll have a swivel seat, so I can just swivel myself out. I'll let Keith out. There you are. Yes, yes.
Done?
Yeah. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.